At their apartment in Mumbai, Mr. Sindes is getting rescued. She has been frantically searching for her gold chain over an hour.
Come on, hurry up. We are already late for the wedding. Why are you so worried?
I cannot have it. Gold chain in a drawing. I suspect that Shanti has stolen it. She always spends a lot of time in dusting my home.
What's wrong, Shanti?
Shanti Habam has been working in the house since past 3 years.
Shanti, come here.
Yes, sir. What happened? There is a Shanti. Have you begun to stolen my gold chain? No, madam. I haven't stolen anything from your house. It is a two gold chain. No, madam. I haven't. Bring your back. I want to check that. We have to call the police. If you have gold chain, return it now.
Where you get this money?
10,000. No, sir. Me and my brother Sushil is saving from past 1 year to buy buffaloes in our village. This is our hard-earned money.
No, I am going to complain.
No, sir, stop. I didn't stolen anything, sir.
Mrs. Shinde has came to the police station.
Sir, madam, I have come here to file a FIR. There have been a theft in my home.
Who is that?
Our maid, Shanti, has stolen my wife's necklace.
Okay, yes, I will write the mail.
And she sold it and got this money.
Where is the envelope?
Envelope. Here it is.
This is the evidence for the Shanti to arrest it.
Okay, sir.
File the FIR. Constable, please bring the FIR. What is your name?
Miss Shinde.
What type of case?
Monday 75. Roll the button. That's it. You make it fast.
Now I am coming to
Thank you, madam.
Mr. Shinde returns with Sub-Inspector Rao.
Who is the Shanti?
She was the Shanti.
You have stolen the...
No, sir. I haven't stolen.
She is telling lies. She won't believe us.
Sure, yeah?
No.
Okay, now I want to take the Shanti to the jail. I am arresting him.
19/7/2006. Sushil, Shanti's brother, arrives the police and SI Rao to release Shanti.
Your sister is arrested by stolen the gold chain in the Shinde's house.
But sir, where will get money?
She has stolen, that's why I kept her in the jail.
Whatever we have money, you steal it.
No. SI Rao forcibly keeps Sushil in the police station for 2 days. Sushil is absisted and beaten by SI Rao and brother police constable. They try and make him confess that he and his sister Shanti had a gang of domestic servants that have stolen jewelry from other homes. There have been other complaints of theft of jewelry from Shinde's neighborhood. As Sushil keeps repeating that he is an innocent factory worker, the police let him go after 2 days. Say what?
No, madam. No, sir. I
Okay.
didn't
Give the jail.
The date is 23/6/2006. All through, the court given bail to Shanti after a month. She was unable to get anyone to stand surety for her for ₹2,000. She therefore continued to be in jail. She is very traumatized. She is worried about what will happen due the trial.
What had happened to me? I have not done anything, but I am back of the bad. This is not a right thing. This is not a right thing. I have to get justice.
Date 14/9/2006.
Show me.
The police files a charge sheet in the magistrate court. The court gives a copy of the charge sheet including statements of witness to Shanti. Shanti tells the court that she has no lawyer to defend her against this false case of theft. The magistrate appoints advocate Kamla Roy as Shanti defense lawyer at the government expense.
The advocate Kamala Roy meets Shanti in the court.
Can you allow the Shanti?
Yes.
I want to speak to her.
Shanti. Shanti. Shanti.
I want to speak with you. Where are the case papers?
I will say truth, except truth. I will not say anything.
Okay. Show me the case papers.
See, madam, these are the case papers. I have not stolen anything. But Mr. and Mrs. Sinde, my house owners, I am working in a house. They are saying that I have stolen a gold chain. But I have not done anything, madam.
But Shinde had complained that you stolen the gold chain.
No, madam, they are saying lies, but I have not stolen anything. They got ₹10,000 in my trunk box. This is my hard-earned money. I have got this money to buy buffaloes in my village. You can ask to my brother if you want.
How you got the money?
My brother is working in a factory and I am working in this house. By that money, we are saving every month. We are saving money. By that money, we want to buy buffaloes.
The people are saying you are innocent. But why you did like that? The people are saying you are stolen the gold chain.
No, madam, I am innocent. They are saying lies, madam.
The date is 11/12/2006. The court frames a charge of theft of Mr. Shinde's gold chain and the provision of money rupees 10,000 got from selling the stolen property against Shanti.
I want to call the Sushil. Where are you working?
I am working in a factory.
Your sister is saying that you are saving money since 1 year to buy bullock carts. Is it right?
Yes.
I pled not guilty and I claim trial. I pled not guilty and I claim trial.
The date is 8/3/2007. The public prosecutor appears in the case on behalf of the state. He presents Mr. and Mr. Shinde as a key witness.
This is when you call us Shinde.
Shinde. Where is Shinde?
Shinde, tell me how did your chain has got missing? I had kept a chain in my drawer. It is not there. I had kept my chain in my drawer. It is not there. It is stolen by Shanti because she always spent a lot of time in my room. She is a theft.
How can you say that she is theft?
Because she always spend a lot of time in my room. Nobody except other people will come in my room. She only spend a lot of time in my room. So that I suspect that she is stolen my gold chain.
Your husband has kept a FIR about her 10,000 rupees. How can you say that they got by selling the chain?
Because they had taken our gold chain and they had went to the shop and they sold the chain and they brought the 10,000 rupees. We give monthly 1,000 rupees. How they got suddenly 10,000 rupees?
It may be her brother hard work. How can you say? Sushil, how you are getting the money?
And I am the factory member.
But how can you say that you are working in the factory only?
I am the factory member and I am working a lot of time in the factory.
But it maybe you sell the chain and it maybe you got for selling that. Can you have any proof that you are working in factory?
Say to Mr. Raj that I am working and investigate the factory member.
According to the investigation, we found that you are very innocent and this is the money that you have got from working in the factory as a hard work. So I believe that you are very innocent and you can go.
Next, Advocate Roy cross-examines the prosecution witness Mr. Shinde. Shinde. Where is Shinde?
What happened? What happened, sir?
Can you tell that you are liar?
Yes.
What is the problem for this?
When his wife is dressing, her chain got stolen. She has doubt on Shanti. She suspects that Shanti had taken this chain. So she wants, and also she found that the 10,000 rupees in her trunk. They are thinking that they had sold the chain and they got 10,000 rupees.
Ma'am, how you are thinking that Shanti was stolen a gold chain?
But they did not have money for selling them for money. She is getting 1 month, 1 year, 1,000 salary. How can they get 10,000 rupees in 1 year?
Sushil and her sister are saying they are saving since 1 year.
But they maybe have any gang for selling
They
robbery.
want to buy bullock.
But there is no proof that they are they are hardworking.
How can you say the truth?
But
They are saving the money since 1 year.
but she spent lot of time in her home for cleaning. It may be she.
But she didn't, from last 3 years onwards, she didn't stolen anything from her house. But now, how can we say that she stolen the gold chain?
But his brother had did that. How can you suspect only?
Date 24, 2007. Advocate Rai examined Sushil and his employer as defense witness. Through their testimony, she is able to show that the rupees 10,000 found in Shanti's trunk could well be the earnings of Sushil and Shanti.
The date is 14/5/2007. As the trail is nearing completion, Sushil learns that Inspector Sharma has arrested a gang of young men who has been stealing jewelry from Shinde's neighborhood. Some of Mr. Shinde's friends are part of this gang. Mr. Shinde's chain has been found in them. Sushil tells Advocate Roy about this. Advocate Roy now calls Inspector Sharma as a defense witness.
Sharma.
Respected judge, can I want to speak with
Yes.
Sharma? Can you say that how you see and how you find the gold chain?
Here is the chain that is stolen by the gang of boys. It is identified that this is the chain of Mrs. Shinde, and we busted the gang of boys who stolen this, and they admitted the chains they stole it, which are stolen.
I want to give the evidences.
The date is 15/7/2007. The judge hears the testimony of all the witnesses. After the testimony of Inspector Sharma, Advocate Roy accused before the judge that it has now been established that Shanti is innocent and should be acquitted.
You are innocent, Shanti. See, madam, I said, but no one believed me. I am an innocent. I said, but no one believed me. So finally, it is proved that I am an innocent. Yes, please prove it.
Then, according to my judgment, that Shanti is the innocent, but the congratulations to the Inspector Sharma. He has proved that the police are working as a properly, and they are investing as they proving as they are in that level. Then that I will say to Mr. Sharma that can you give that what is that Shanti has given that sealed money. The total money has given to Shanti 10,000 rupees. Please Sharma, can you give Inspector 10,000 rupees to the Shanti?
These are the money, Your Honor. I am giving to you.
This is my hard-earned money.
Sorry, Shanti, we didn't mistake. Please forgive us.
No problem, sir. There is no need to say sorry. Maybe all of you or anybody will suspect. There is no need to say sorry. Thank you for giving this opportunity.